students. Hi, I'm taking first class of EVS. Okay, we'll start with the first chapter, that is our national symbols. Okay, here we'll talk about the symbols of India, whatever we having, like flag, flower, animal, bird, or any other thing, or like song or anything. Who is the national father of our India, like that we'll talk. So here we are just talking about symbols. Symbols means these type. These all are symbols. This is also a symbol of our India. Okay, so this is also a symbol. These all things are also being symbols. So we'll talk about first the flag of India. This flag is in three colors. So we having in a flag three colors. First is orange, second is white, third is green. And in white there is a one circle that is for moving, not still at a time, still not be on that only, just move. That is only the symbol of flag, that you have to move, not to be there only. So third thing, a flag have called also Tiranga. Triranga means Muru Ranga. Three colors, that's why we are calling Tiranga. Okay. So next is peacock. Peacock is also showing our Indian nationality, because we having multicultural, multi-religion, multi-caste, many of other things also, many languages even. So we are living in this India with a multi of things. That's why peacock wings are showing that only, that we have, that peacock have multicolors in his wing. That's why we are selected as a national bird, peacock. Okay. Next is national animal. National animal is tiger. Why tiger? Because tiger is known for his bravery. He is very brave. That's why we are just taking him as a national animal. Next is lotus. Lotus is also kind of not kind of, it's a flower and symbol of our India, because it shows the peace, it shows the beauty, it shows the many of things of our India. Like we are living with a different kind of caste, religion, language people, but we don't have this much of dispute. So we are living peacefully, we are living in a beautiful way, we are living with a multi of cultures, multi of food. In our India, food is also kind of thing that because of many of people, because of many of caste, religion people, they are making good food, they are making some kind of other tasty food, and we are knowing for that also. So lotus is also showing our Indian nationality, Indian culture, Indian caste, everything peaceful. That's why. Next is, if we talk about other things rather than symbols, so as in symbol we can say that Rashtrageet means national anthem is also a national symbol, because it was written by Rabindranath Tagore, and now we are never sing, sometimes always, and we are just taking care of it, like okay, it's a national anthem. Whenever we hear, at the time we don't want to be stanities at that time, we just move on from that place, that's it. but we have to respect that national anthem. We have to stand there. Yes, if it's not possible, you have to move. That if you are in road and you don't want to stand there, isn't? So you have to move from that. But the thing is, next thing you have to take care of this thing, that you have to respect your national animals, bird, flower, national symbols, even national uh, anthem also. You have to respect, because these all things showing you that how much you love to your India. Even these things only showing yours inner part of your heart, like what exactly you're feeling about India. Whenever any of cricketer or Indian cricket team also got win, that time what we'll do, we sing our national anthem, hmm? Not their national anthem. So when we won, then we have to sing and they have to stand. When we'll give respect, when our national anthem is going on and they people also sit and talking something else, they're not giving respect. That is what, that is also disrespect. So they people, other people also sit and they'll talk and they'll do such kind of thing. If we stand, we give one respect to that song only, so other people also should stand and stay there only. They'll not move. So this is the only way to tell respect of your India, to tell respect to your country. Okay, next thing is, we'll understand about the more why these all things are important for our India, because it shows the symbol of unity. Unity means you and your brother, if anyone beaten your brother, then you have to show unity. Two of person can beat one person, so this is the unity. Before that, you and your brother is quarreling, but if any other person interrupted in you between, means that time you and your brother became one, so you beaten that person. Okay, this is called unity. Second thing is peace. Everyone want peace, so we are living in a peaceful area. In India, you will not find any of one. Yes, sometimes we will quarrel, but it's not mean that much. So we'll not that much of, because we have to live in India. We don't want to leave India. So we are living in peaceful area. It shows peace also. Nationalism. How much you love your India. That shows. Because you don't want to leave. You never wanted to leave India. So you have to live in India, not leave in India. You don't want to leave India, you have to live in India. So it's very important. The fourth thing is brotherhood. Brotherhood is also one kind of thing. Like some of in India, there is a kind of thing that people are saying that Muslims are not even good, but some of people saying that no, I have many of friends and they help me when I want, and they help me that time when nobody in my family also helping me. So what was that? That is also a brotherhood. Brotherhood is not related to that your family only. It's whole of the nation, whole of the country. So you have to know what exactly brotherhood. You and your brother is that important. That is also a brotherhood. But if your whole of the country, you are talking about the whole of the country, at that time you have to be very clear that brotherhood is related to your country, not to your own home. You and your relation, you and your brother relation, you and your mother relation, these all not. Okay. Third thing is, many of different caste and cultures in India. So I already before I told you that we have many of cultures, caste, religion, languages, even the clothing wearing style also much different, isn't? In Gujarat different, in Maharashtra different, in UP different, in South different, in MP different, right? Everywhere have a different kind of culture, religion, multi things. Even in Karnataka also Mohammedans are living, Muslims are living, Christians are living, Hindus are living, and many of other also, Europeans also even living. So we are living anywhere, but outside we can't do that. Here we have that much of freedom. Outside we don't have that much of freedom. Every person has some kind of restrictions. Here we don't have any of restrictions. This is the India. That's why we are loving India. That's why we are Indians. We have to be proud to be Indian. Okay? Next is the question answers. We'll do tomorrow. Okay? We'll start with the question answers. And yes, you have to write the name of the symbols. This is very easy. So you have to write the name of the symbols. What is it? What is not? This is tiger. So you have to write here tiger. This is lotus. So you have to write lotus. And same as it is, you have to write flag and peacock. Okay. The next one is you have to write the how much color in your flag. Then serial wise you have to write it. What color is it? First orange, second is white, third is green. So you have to write like this only. Okay. Fine. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.